Hello everybody and welcome in today's video. In today's video we are going to have a look, of course, shortly at the Bitcoin price, but I have another announcement to make, and that is that Whaleportal, the website that I've been working on over the past couple of weeks, right now is live on the whaleportal.com. And in today's video I will quickly go over this website with you guys, show you how you can use Whaleportal for your trading, why I basically made this website, and what I'm planning to do with this website in the near future. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. And yeah guys, as you can hear in my voice, maybe I'm still a little bit sick-ish. I still have a little bit of a flu. I don't know, but the moment since I'm actually in Holland, I got sick, and afterwards, I'm still not completely fit. However, I just thought today is a special day. I need to give you guys an update because I have something for you guys as well, which is going to be very interesting, because in the past couple of weeks and months I've been talking about that I'm working on a website called Whaleportal. Whaleportal is a website which should show us some data about Bitcoin, which can help us to predict, but to see the background mechanisms in the Bitcoin charts. And it's especially meant for short-term traders. So it's basically meant for every single trader out there. Before you open a trade, whether it is a long or whether it is a short, you first have to go over a couple of metrics in order to check whether there are warning signals or whether it is the right time to long and short. And those metrics I want to combine all in one website called Whaleportal. And what we can see right here, guys, let's go quickly over it. Right now we have 4 metrics right here. First metric is the funding rates. We are looking often at the funding rates in our videos as well. Funding rates are one of the most important things to look at for short-term trading. And when we have a look at the funding rates right here, we have the inverse perpetual from BitMEX, which is a good representation of all the contracts that are settled in BTC. But we also, you can also flip this to US dollar Tether contracts from Binance, where you can get extra confirmation, check whether those funding rates are positive or negative. Of course, positive funding rates normally is slightly bearish. Negative funding rates, when it's yellow right here, is often optimistic. Also, you can click right here in the menu on funding rates, and it will bring you to the funding rate page, where as well we explaining down below how you can use this metric basically for your trading. Then next to the funding rates, we got the open interest. And why did I choose for the open interest? Well, I think it's important to see whether the price action is healthy or not. And I also explain it right here on the open interest page. But basically, guys, when the price of Bitcoin goes up, we want to see the open interest increase as well. That is showing us that the price increase of Bitcoin is more healthy. It's not that of important indicator or metric, I would say, but it's definitely a good metric to show whether the markets are healthy or not. Then this one is actually quite interesting. This is the Bitcoin exchange balance, the Bitcoin balance on exchanges. And what we can see here, basically, whether Bitcoins are being sent to exchanges or whether Bitcoins are leaving the exchanges. And we are tracking most big exchange wallets right here. And what we can often see, you can backtest this, of course, is whenever the Bitcoin balances on exchanges increases, most of the time that will create selling pressure on the price of Bitcoin. So that is something you want to know as a trader, right? Before you open a trade, before you open a long position, for example, or a short, when you see that the exchange balances are like growing significantly, but maybe not like one spike like we are seeing right there. That is less significant. That can just be an exchange wallet moving coins. So this shouldn't be a sole indicator. But when you see right here that the Bitcoin balance on exchanges are increasing, as you can see right here, there's some more movement, and that is most of the time bearish. And you can backtest this, of course. and you most of the time see that the price is going down. Similar other way around, of course, when the exchange balances is going down, that can create buying pressure on the price of Bitcoin. So I think this is just a very important metric just to have a quick look at. That's also why I built this website, is just for people to have a quick look what's going on. Next to that, we got the Fear and Greed Index, which is basically showing the sentiment, right? I thought this is a interesting metric to show what's going on in the sentiment. So yeah, guys, this is how the website is looking right now. This is the first version, and of course, go out there, have a look at it. Whaleportal.com. The Twitter account right now is deleted, so I need to find a solution for that. We will create a new account very soon, but yeah, you can get all your information right now from the website directly. And if you think this website is interesting, or if you miss some functionalities and so on, you can just send me an email or send me a message wherever. I'm curious about your feedback. But basically, this site should serve for all traders to just, before you open a trade, you just quickly open it. You scroll through these metrics. You see, I'm just saying something. Yeah, you see, for example, like, okay, the funding rates are negative, open interest is going up. No crazy things on the Bitcoin exchange balances, and Fear and Greed Index is negative. Well, that is a better confirmation to open a long position for Bitcoin. It shows a more healthy background mechanics that are going on in the Bitcoin price, where you can be more sure of opening a long position. If you, for example, want to open a short position, but you see extreme negative funding rates, as you can see right here, then most likely it's not that smart to open that short position. That's my opinion. Of course, there are multiple indicators that you can use. These are most indicators that you cannot really use in TradingView itself. So that's why I think this is just very important. And I personally think that every trader has a lot of benefits from using this website. I really thought in the process, okay, which numbers, which metrics do I really need to see before I open a trade? And these are the most important metrics. I've also asked you guys, and you guys have provided me with a lot of information in the past, so thank you so much for that. This is also because of you that I've made this website, and this is just the start. Also, we want to make this website bigger, add new charts, make a real dashboard for it, so we can make trading way easier for a lot of traders. That is really the goal right here. But yeah, guys, just have a look at it. Let me know what you think. Also in the comment section down below, that would be very much appreciated. And of course, guys, I can't let you go out in the weekend without some Bitcoin TA, of course. And to be honest, guys, we have seen Bitcoin coming down a bit right here, still trading in this rising channel that we have been looking at. I will show you in the shorter term time frame how significantly we actually bounced off on support. But I wanted to start off on a weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, in my opinion, is still looking good. Do take in mind that is a macro perspective. Not really good short-term predictor of the price, but we can see right here the price is moving sideways. RSI is coming down right here, have a declining resistance. Of course, if we can break that declining resistance, will unlock new bullish momentum. We got negative funding rates of a longer period of time, which normally makes the price go up right here. We got hidden bullish divergence either on the relative strength index with a lower low but a higher low in the price, but we also get it on Orion's belt, lower low but higher low in the price. All in all, weekly time frame is not looking too bad, but I do recognize the hype around Bitcoin is not so much right now, so the price action is a little bit more boring. But yeah, that is just a preparation for the next hype that is going to come. You guys know how that goes. Let's go to the daily time frame. And let me get rid of the indicators right here, and let's just have a look at the price. Very interestingly, guys, last video I've made was about this falling wedge formation. We did broke that falling wedge formation to the downside. Normally it is a higher likelihood to break out to the upside, but this time we broke out to the downside. We tested the support of this rising channel, but that also aligned exactly with the 61.80%, based from this move. this move we have seen in Bitcoin. So that is very significant. It makes sense to see a bounce right here in the Bitcoin price. Right now we are entering the weekend. Weekends most of the time are not that excited for Bitcoin. We often open Monday on where we closed on Friday. So that means that in the weekend we do have some price is going up and down, of course, but most of the time we are opening Monday where we closed out on Friday, so that's quite flat. Not all the time, of course, but yeah, just something important to note. Short term, I still do think that Bitcoin most likely will remain in this rising channel. So I do expect Bitcoin to bounce right here. The support right now is at 39,600. If we were to lose that support, we can definitely dip into this green zone right here, which is starting at 36,000, maybe even slightly above right here, but this green zone major support is starting at 36,100, going down to approximately 34,100. So that is a major support zone of $2,000. Is Bitcoin going to go there? Right now it's difficult to say. I still tend to believe that Bitcoin is still in this structure, in this rising channel, which makes it more likely to bounce right here. That will be invalidated if we lose 39,600 or 39,500. If we lose that level, we can see Bitcoin definitely going significantly lower, most likely to around 37,500, but also into this green box between 34,100 and 36,100. So that is something to watch. Right now, I definitely think, like I've been saying all over in the past couple of weeks as well, if your time horizon is long, if you have a low time preference, if you care less about the shorter term time frame, these are definitely very nice levels to accumulate Bitcoin. I'm heavily accumulating Bitcoin right now. These are definitely times that I want to be buying. I'm pretty confident right here, especially for the longer term time frame, to enter at these levels that we are seeing Bitcoin in right now. The question still in the shorter term time frame is what is going to happen. Are we still going to see something like this where Bitcoin is going to see a breakout, maybe has some delay, and later we can continue in a uptrend, or whether we are seeing that uptrend happening in Bitcoin quite soon? Like I said, I tend to believe that the price eventually will come up not so far from the period that we are right now from, due to the fact that we have this negative funding rates already for quite a extended amount of time. And these have been very significant in the past. So I'm quite optimistic, I have to say, and I see this as a accumulation range where we eventually can break out from to the upside. So yeah, guys, that is what I'm basically watching with Bitcoin. Hope you all enjoyed today's analysis, guys. If so, make sure to smash up that like button. Let's get this video to all the subscribers. Let's help the algorithm a little bit. Would be awesome. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below. Hit that bell icon also so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And yeah, guys, let me know what you think. I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.